Alright guys, we're here at the Clemente outlets, visiting the Nike outlet. It's been a minute since I've been here. So let's go see. There's not much line, roughly about 10 minutes or so. So let's go see. Alright guys, there is a slight line. Get there. Alright guys, we're gonna go head upstairs and see what they have.
I just tell them all the technology like 30 minutes before we open.
Alright guys, here I am. I'm undercover. I'm gonna check the smaller sizes. Alright, as you can see, the hash wall has additional 30% off. I'm gonna check the small sizes, like I said. You have these Air Force One GTX, Gore-Tex. No price on it, but it's 30% off additional. So this one is the Air Max 720 Waves. Wow, 80 bucks minus 30%. So this one's roughly around 50 bucks. Great deal, you guys. Checking these Alpha Savage. 60 bucks minus 30, so around 42 bucks. We're in the size 9s now. We have these cleats, Nike React Infinity Pro. They're going for retail about minus 30. Couple more. React 8 QR Max. I'm familiar with it. We have these PG4s in the USA colorway. Retail price, but alright, so we have another PG4 9.5. The other one was a 9. So a couple of Air Max Plus. Air Force Max. We have a couple of the Westbrooks, 1.203, 130 minus 30%. These trainers, 39 Retaliation Trainer 2s, for $39.99. So it's around 28 bucks, you guys. Alright guys, we're going into the bigger sizes, size 10. I'm just trying to see if there's anything that stands out. This is one, Air Max 200, and almost like a bread colorway. These Air Max 270 React, all black. 99 minus 30%. Replacement box, this is KD Tray 5s. Let's see what else they have, you guys. We have these Forsoon cleats. 29 bucks, you guys. And let's see what this is. It's the Nike Air. Almost fooled us into thinking it's like a Nike Air Jordan. They have these LeBron Witness in the black and white colorway, 80 bucks. Minus 30, 24 bucks, so 56 bucks. These Air Max 98 SE, size 11s. So we're in the bigger sizes now. It's a great price. 120 minus 30%, 36 bucks. It's like 84 bucks. Alright, we're getting into the bigger size 11.5 and up. You have a lot of cleats. Ooh, where's this one? It's a Flight Legacy in the Lakers colorway. 90 bucks minus 30%. Alright guys, and they have these LeBron 17 lows. Spruce art. Let's see. it looks like. So you guys, this is the Spruce Aura. I'm not familiar with the name of the shoe. There's a LeBron 17 low. It's going for retail minus 30%. So it's around $100. So not bad. And we have a section of JDI slides. Like the camo one for $20. Not bad. We have these selection, the Nike React. This is the Nike React Vision. It's $99, but no additional discount. Yep. For selection in Element 55. See that. A quick look at their basketball shoes, you guys. I'm just gonna sprint through the aisle so you get a glimpse of what they have. So these are their basketball shoes. Big trees, Air Precision, Air Force Max, and the GS of the kids hash wall. Check. Almost full. This is the Morris 270 in the shatter backboard colorway. 6Y retail minus 30, guys. Something Jordan 12s retro. Okay. Son of Force. Since it's basketball season again, you have these Swing Freak ones. 69 minus 30%. I already have the Air Max 200s, just a couple 200s, 270s, a 95. That's particle gray, Blue Fury. Looks nice, but not 140. No, 140 bucks, nice. A couple of Metcons. Okay, as for the big footers, that's pretty much the hash wall. Not much selection. No. And of course, you guys have the traditional, the Monarch Force, the dad shoes, all ultimate dad shoe, and they have the black version. But you have these Vapor Max 2019s for $134. You have pretty much a full size, not a full size run, but they have from size 7 to 11. Just checking the kids section, you guys. Yep, these the Air Force One, more than an athlete, 44. So it's around 30 bucks for kids. They have these basketball tees for additional 30% off. JDI tees, Forces. And they have clearance items, so there's additional markup discounts on a couple items. I see hats, Air Force One hats, camo hats, beanies. And a quick look at the backpack selection. They have an additional 25% off on already discounted backpacks, you guys. And just a quick look at their SB wall. Your FC standards, Janowski's, SB charge slips. Alright, so we're just going to do a quick look at the ladies' hash wall. We're starting at this small size 5s. I don't see anything that stands out. Let's go to the other side. So in the bigger size in the women, they have these Vapor Max 2019 in this gold, metallic gold colorway. Great price, $134. Those additional discounts. And you have these Air Force One Shadows $239 minus 30. Alright, we're gonna go see in the bigger sizes, anything that stands out. They have these Air Max 98s, like metallic. A lot of Odyssey React, guys, running shoes. Yeah, a lot of great deals to be had, just nothing like a heat. And they have these 98s in the women's, 3 different colorways: the maroon, wolf gray, the phantom metallic pewter. They're correlate, a lot of 270s. So that was a quick look at the Nike San Clemente. There are all the other people. Very short line, but that's pretty good. Alright guys, thank you again for watching another Nike vlog at the San Clemente outlets here the first weekend of August. If you guys like this type of content, comment, like, and share down below. Thank you again for subscribing, and if you guys haven't subscribed and you like this type of content, please subscribe down below. Let's go reach 200 subscribers. Alright guys, until the next video.